Your soul may make connections with the divine, yourself, and the cosmos in solitude, which helps you make decisions about your life without giving up company. While people around you might wonder why you choose to travel this route alone, keep in mind that isolation is where you find yourself. You aren't running away from the world, rather, you are examining your innermost thoughts. You'll experience a deep metamorphosis on this voyage, emerging as a dazzling presence. Are you ready to inspire others with your newly discovered light? On your spiritual path, it is extremely vital to embrace solitude because it enables you to fully understand the meaning of your life. Always keep this in mind if you ever feel off or like you're going in the wrong direction. Self-awareness is the starting point for the most meaningful journey in life, since it forms the basis for everything. You must explore your inner world in order to hear the echoes of your innermost wants and heart's whispered ambitions when you are alone. As you work through old traumas and alter your thought patterns, solitude forces you to look for solutions on your own. The cosmos understands your intense yearning for the future you picture and has led you into isolation for this reason. Recognize how important some events were in helping you develop as a person. Your desire for a new beginning necessitates a change in your surroundings, frame of mind, beliefs, and outlook on life. Rest confident that constructive change is taking shape as you advance on your spiritual path. Your views have a big impact and are frequently molded by outside forces like your friends, family, culture, and environment factors that might not be in line with your genuine aspirations. You can reflect on this effect and consider the sources of your views when you are alone. You're a natural leader. Therefore, following the group's rules was never a goal of your singular route. Although your upbringing may have suppressed your understanding of this, you now stand proudly in your uniqueness. The possibility for a new beginning and perspective presented by solitude is difficult to undergo while surrounded by frequent companionship. You learn the skill of loving yourself during this period of spiritual seclusion. On your spiritual path, embracing solitude gives you the power to rediscover and embrace your spiritual energy. You'll learn that true love radiates from the inside out, permeating every aspect of your being. By doing this, you will take good care of your spirit and fill your own cup with compassion and kindness. You'll learn how to set boundaries and recover your energy in isolation, especially when it comes to poisonous friendships, sexual connections, and even familial interactions. Frequently, we unintentionally spend energy on people who deplete us and diminish our self-worth. Many people with spiritual tendencies were taught as children that in order to be liked, they had to give up their energy. They developed heightened sensitivity to other people's energy as empaths and frequently developed a desire to please others. However, when you learn to replenish and maintain your energy on your own, you'll find that your inner fortitude grows while you're alone yourself. In this release, there is no need for conformity or seeking favor. You may express yourself without inhibition. By revealing your actual self and letting go of the masks and personalities you have worn for the world, you transform into a beacon of light who encourages others to embrace their uniqueness. Remember that you are meant for something bigger if you find yourself traveling alone on your chosen road. Some people may never fully realize their spiritual potential throughout their lifetime. The pain you endure along the journey and the healing you undergo are all ultimately useful. You will eventually experience the deep feelings that all people desire for: unwavering love and freedom from suffering. Be thankful that you have the chance to have a spiritual awakening in this lifetime, because things are about to get really interesting in your life. Some individuals won't be able to truly appreciate the present moment or feel the love that the cosmos is radiating. Additionally, they won't be able to achieve their goals the way you will. With the universe and the divine solidly in your corner, you are about to achieve your ambitions. Your alone excursion serves as a reminder that even in the absence of actual company, a special connection protects you from loneliness. Keep in mind that you either already have or will soon gain something revolutionary that will fundamentally alter your life as your spiritual path strengthens your connection with the divine, God, and your actual self. You will learn through this insight that you are capable of being complete independently of other people. As you come to realize that every emotion and experience you want lies inside yourself, happiness will become a state of being that is independent of external circumstances. Your own being is where love comes from because you are loved. As you learn to affirm yourself, the desire for outside validation will diminish. Your happiness won't depend on anything outside of yourself because you already possess all the emotions and feelings you need. Since you love will naturally come from inside. As you learn to validate yourself inside, your desire for external validation will decrease. You'll realize your great power and your function as a creator and master of manifestation when you're alone. During these lonely and difficult times, your spiritual path will reveal amazing truths. Keep in mind that being alone while on the path of personal growth is not the same as being lonely. You will discover your inner self, the light that will guide you on your path, and the limitless love inside within this sacred space. Honor the divine knowledge that arises from the refuge of your soul and embrace the transformational power of solitude.